is up, guys? Here I am on another video. Today we will be playing Airplane Story. I don't know which one, but this I have been waiting for so much time, and I like this game so much. And I watched the trailer. It was a zombie or what? We have to get off the plane, or as the first one. It was about a dark monster, and the second one about the same. And the third one was about Ronald, and this one last light. Airplane Story 4. Bro. This one is the hardest of all. You have to guess who is the what? What? Wakey, eggs and bacon. What? Guys. What? Don't tell me you forgot. What is it? Today is the big day. I know, the last day of the monsters. Let me remind you, we are flying to the road heavens. Get down here. So let me go down. What? Where did I go? And how do I go out? There is a way out. I can't believe we don't even have time. Whoever doesn't bag it ready before breakfast, going on to trip. What? What does he even talk about? Your baggage? I'll start making the burgers in the backyard. Hurry up. So guys, what is he doing? What do I have to pack? Why does this guy look so creepy? I really want to go to the trip. What? Where are we going? I don't even remember where my clothes are. What? Ha. Okay, here is what we are going to do. We have 45 seconds where everything is. Oh, okay. So I know where some things are. So guys, let me go over here. Go over here. Yes, all the things are over here. Let me get the shoes. Which one do I like? That one. That one I like so much. And the dome, wow. That's a toothbrush. And no, why would we need a plant? So guys, yeah, and let's go see other stuff. So yeah, and let me go here. That's a painting. Why would we need that? And nothing over here. Guys, okay guys, time to start packing. Let's go. So guys, I did a little break. And I have to find this item, and so guys, I know perfectly where this item is. I can find it in 1 or 2 seconds. It's super easy. Ah, no! It's over there, bro! Find this item. Easy. Yes, first I have to put it. Why? Because I did late number 1. And second, I don't know why second, but let's do it. Let me put this in my bag. Let me put this t-shirt in my bag. Guys, I know where that is. I think this is it. No. It must be in another room. That is not definitely it. It must be in the pink room, I think so. Yeah, it's in the pink room. There's that dad guy. He's cooking the burgers. So, yeah, I'm gonna bring it to my baggage quickly. Completed. Burgers are almost ready. What? That one is poison, bro. I think this is the monster. Let's go to the backyard. What? Why isn't it not opening? Guys. This one is poison. Look. Look at that, bro. It's poison. I'm not gonna. Bro, I'm never gonna eat that. Let's go swimming. I think this guy's the monster. Pretty much it looks like. It's called Rotting Burger. Yeah, bro. I'm never gonna eat that. Please do not. I don't want to eat that one. Who wants burger? Why is he dancing? They will all fall down. I do. What? I'm so hungry. Alright. Whoever wants one, take a seat in the table. Yo, bro, not me, actually. Okay, fine. Let's sit. Please, not me, the rotten burger. One for Roji Hihoy. One from Jamie Minecraft. One for Khadiju. What? She got the rotten one! Guys, she has a wrong one. Hello, everyone. We are back on Lockset News States News. That's a radio. So, oh, that's the radio. So, guys, earlier this month, President congratulated the brave heroes that saved his life aboard the President plane. Yeah, we saved it. We were the ones. Well, can you imagine saving a plane? Whoever, the president said in the conference. As we landed, the suspect had disappeared. Yeah, he's gonna come. The police warned everyone in Wallachia to be careful and report anything that could be useful for the case. How could someone possibly escape from something like that? Oh my. Look at the time. We are running late to our flight. There is no way to make in time. Unless... Follow me. Where, bro? Where are we gonna follow you? Guys, where is he going even? Unless follow me? What? Where? We don't know where you're going, bro. We are faster than this guy. This guy's so slow. So let's go faster. Why is this guy coming so slow? That girl is so slow too. So what? Is that what is a highway train or what? I have a bad feeling about this. So what bad feeling? I don't know what bad feeling this girl has about this. The garage? What? Why are we going to the garage? Wait for it. He looks like an engineer kind of guy. So I know he's gonna try this banner. I present you. What? Your very own small plane. What, guys? So cool, bro. I love this. Amazing. I like it so much. We get to fly to the airport, catch another plane. That's funny. It's also more fun than walking. Guys, our biplanes are moving. Now we can't lose more time. Find your plane, grab a seat. Get on your plane. The objective is get on your plane. So, guys, this game looks like cool, but I don't know. I haven't seen the trailer, but it looked like the best part of the trailer, they showed it. It's a kind of creepy monster. I don't know, it's like he has a side key. I'll see you guys in the other side. Guys, what? How is he gonna go faster than us? Wait, don't we even know how to fly these? We will have to find out. Just be careful with the obstacles. What? The birds and the other things? Obstacles! Oh no! Guys, cut down the leaderboard. Guys, this is so cool! Go! Down. Side. Side down! Ouch! Guys, no! Yes! Guys, I have so much less health. I hope the monster doesn't kill me because he has the psychics. The psychics are very destroying everything. Guys, this looks so cool. Wait for everyone to finish. Perfect! Well, let's go to airport. Perfect, everyone is here now. I forgot to tell you that flying over that shortcut is illegal. What? Hopefully nobody saw you. What, bro? The airport is just around the corner. Keep moving. Follow that. Whatever. I don't want to follow him. There's the airport. Let's go. Guys, and what is that written? I don't know. But let me find out. Was before crossing. There are cars. Yeah, there are always cars. Yeah, I knew it. Yeah, bro, I knew there were supposed to be cars and high speed. I know how crossing a road is. It's quite hard, and this is called a zebra line. Easy, bro. What? Easy. That was close. Now hurry inside. Let's drop the baggage, bro. Let's drop it. How do I drop it even? I don't know, but let's see. Attention, everyone. Flight usually it's leaving in 5 minutes. What? No, we're gonna miss our flight. I think that's our flight. I already have my ticket, so we have to get ours. Get yours. The plane. Come on, bro. Get your ticket through the boarding gate. Welcome to baggage first for a ticket. Oh, okay. So let's do it. Easy, bro. What? Why is there that? Yay, bro. Let's go. Yeah, I like this game so much, guys. And when we finish this game, no more waiting. Let's go. Oh, please. Get me in first. That's our plane. Hello. You must be the last passenger flying to Roehampton. Don't worry. You are just in time. Alright, you need to now get through the mail detector. And you're good to go. Bro, they're trying, but they cannot. What? I don't have anything on me. Because he's a monster. Other than this. Weapons! Hee. Guys, come on. Now can we pass through it? Something is not right. Because this guy's a monster and you're not. Oh no! I don't like how that sounds. Bro, what? Police officers! What? Don't catch me! I'm not bad. He has a weapon. You're going to have to come with us. Security. Well, I know that's gonna happen. Please don't kill us. Throw us in jail. There is a problem, officers. All of you were cars flying away. You're in big trouble. What? Wait until we get all the paperwork ready. Guys, I know we're gonna beat them with the bat. Seriously, I know. So, I knew it was a bad idea. Sigh, I knew it was a bad idea. Bro, get the dad. You're not totally losing the flight. Bro, we're losing the flight. There it goes. It's starting to take off. What is that red thing in the airstrip? What? Yeah, what's that red thing? Red. And the last one. My plan is finally complete. What, guys? Guys, that's the monsters. Whoa. Please, no. Are you enjoying the show, humans? Guys, that's Ronald. Your wall will soon be property of the Underheads. First, I used angry humans to help me build an army. But now I can take over the world by myself. Don't worry. You will be part of my army too. What, guys? I want to defeat him because we do all the time. See you in the afterlife. Mwahahaha. What? Bro. That's such a noob. Why can't we take in our tickets? I don't know why, but yeah, we have to. What? What's going on? Guys, I know we have to beat those guys. Look, the cops are back. Ask them for help because they're not gonna help us. They're gonna kill us because that was skeleton. I don't think these cops are friendly because they're monsters now, pretty much. Find a weapon! I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you, cops. Noobs. I have less health, but I'm gonna stay away. Guys, I'm not gonna defeat those cops because they're pretty much gonna kill me. So, yeah. I think the skeleton is the enemy of ours. Phew, bro, I survived. This game is creepy. Jammy Minecraft, bro, I think he's a hacker pretty much. Whoa, that was horrible. We gotta find this way. Bro, these are the vents. We can exit from here. Look, there's a vents. There are vents. We can find something. Okay. Find a way to get. Look, guys, we found an open vent. Whoa. Yes, good. I'm in the vent. How do I go? This is the baggage drop. We need to get out of here quick. Wait, where is Dad? He's a monster, I think. You need to keep going without me. Bro, he's a monster! No, the skeleton's curse is affecting. We have to do something. Bro! Guys, where should I go? I don't know. Guys, let's go. Let's find a way out of here. Oh, fire! What? General? What? It looks like I'm late to the party. What? Bro! General Pancho! You know I saved the plane again! I'm proud. Yeah, bro. It's another Roblox Estate Army. Blah, blah, blah. I have done this. I have saved him 2 times, you know, guys? Or 5 or 6. I don't know how many times, but I saved him so many times. I have been trying to stop this strange creature for years. Since the world depended on it, I had to take my fake death. We are only the ones left. We have to find the skeleton locks before that emergency call uses us. We need to do this for our dad. What? Bro, guys, this is such a good game, but the most hardest thing we are follow General Pancho. And so let me go. That's an obstacle that could fall anytime. So I think we have to get to that skeleton guy. Wow, who is that, guys? That way. Guys, who is that guy? I don't know. But I'm not sticking around to find out. That's. Bro. Creeps. I'm getting away from here. Be careful. This guy might be infected. Wait, does he seem familiar? Ronald, bro. Ronald. Hello, General. Remember me? Bro, I made him a friend. No way! You are supposed to be dead. Yeah, because guess you're both supposed to be dead. But here we are. When my dark side attacked the presidential plane, we got stuck. That made my curse become weaker. Only that way I can completely be free by killing skeleton Tux. I still don't trust you. You could be lying to us. Yeah, he could. Because he's an evil noob. Wait, what happened? You're not going to be part of this person. Well, I'm still going to do it, General. Who is coming with me? Not me. There is no way my team is going with you. Yeah, I'm trusting him a little bit. Not so much. General Pancho. Not Ronald. Some guys are gonna do on Ronald. Nobody does on already. We want to follow General Pancho. We have chosen to go with General Pancho. Stay out of our way, Ronald. We are saving the world. I think he looks like an enemy of us. What, bro? Where are you bringing us? This place where all evil energy comes from. What's that noise? Oh, bro, not again! Oh no! Bro, that building. Quickly, go inside. Guys, I have to find a way out. Oh no, guys. Oh no. I'm gonna die. Bro, no! Do not get me. I'm innocent. Bro, seriously, do not. That way is for, I don't know, that's a dead end. So I'm gonna try that way or this way. Those both ways lead to the same way. Watch it! Guys, well, I got to the good way. So is anyone in this, or am I just Khati, this girl, and me? What is this place? It looks like an evil altar. Yes, it is. Someone must have summoned skeleton locks. Yes, pretty much. Looks like an offering. Bro, I think he has. What? No! Bro, where am I? What is that? Oh, cool sword. Anyways, look up there. Ronald, you were right, General. What? And who's this guy? Oh my! What, guys? She's alive. She's the agent pilot. I think that's the president. Jack? Bro, Jack! Yo, I know this guy. He's in True Story. How did that guy catch him? Impossible, bro. Quickly. You have to get them out. Bro, I want the Emperor's sword. Get out of there, General. Bro, this is gonna do ultimate damage. Too late. Bro, Khati, kill him, Khati. Oh, bro, what? Oh no, we have survived. I have harvested enough scared souls to have my full power. Why do you think I got after the flames? It's the easiest way to get souls together, scared of for their life. But I know he's gonna kill me. I just need Ronald because I did not, but now I do. Get ready to be harvested too. Whoa, bro. Whoa, bro. I want to. Ah! Bro, I survived. Pretty good. Oh, what is he doing? Bro, that guy is a creepy creature. Oh, no! Guys, am I the only person left in this game to kill him? Oh, no! Bro, this is so hard. So, guys, next time we will play this game, and I hope we will survive, so bye.